How to cancel a ride in Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel a ride in Lyft. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to cancel a ride in Lyft, all you have to do is as soon as you decide to cancel the trip, just tap on the edit ride at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you do so, tap on the button that says cancel ride, and once you tap on cancel ride, it'll ask you for the confirmation. So confirm the cancellation by clicking on the red words that says cancel ride, and once you do so, you have successfully cancelled your ride which you have booked just now. Now if you want to cancel a scheduled ride, it's a little bit different. You have to tap on the calendar icon or the X icon above the cancel ride button. It will show you all of your scheduled ride, and right over there you can tap on cancel ride and confirm the window again. That's all it takes to cancel a ride in Lyft. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.